So if we talk about debate or in all the aspects which is gonna happen in our college, in our schools or not happen, so we can say it's definitely it gives a different kind of mindset and it evolves our thoughts. So I'm gonna put some views regarding to it. So first point is be a better thinker, because if you have a get a chance to speak in a debate section, so you can accumulate your thoughts, and if you have a specific time, so you can accumulate your thoughts and you articulate your thoughts, and then you have to speak. So if you have only 2 or 3 minutes and then you can speak your thought, then you can deliver your thought. So it is also a art that how can you confine your thought and express it. But if you do in a debate session, or if you take part in all the stuff, so definitely it improves this skill and it evolves your thought as well. Because in debate section, I am not only speak, you also speak. So every person have put different aspects of any specific topic. So we improve our thought section, because I think that I just have very few knowledge regarding to any topic. But if you speak anything, so I can get some knowledge. So it is the way to evolving our thought, and it improve our knowledge. Definitely it improves our knowledge, especially if I talk about implicit learning. So it is a kind of implicit learning, because we do socially things. So we accumulate, we get together of every person, and when we do it such these things, so it improves our social skill, social persona, you can say. And best it is remove our shyness and hesitation as well. Because if we take part some of these things, so we can get a habit, we can develop a habit to speak in front of camera or another things. If we take a part in group discussion, so it is also remove our hesitation and shyness and build some confidence. Because it is helpful for us to speak and the pupils and how to react in socially in turn, so it will be helpful. And the second thing is it increase the illustration skills. It is the main thing, because now I have to talk, so it is show what is the illustration skills. Firstly, I want to tell you one thing. Illustration is how can you use the examples, how can you give the instance of any topic. Suppose if I talk anything, any technology, so how can I give you example of that thing. So it is also a good way you can increase your in illustration skills if we take a part of these things. And it presume the things in different way, because now everyone put their different kinds of views, so I get the knowledge different ways. And it is the, I told you initial time that it improves the implicit way of learning. And the another point is it is helpful when we go for group discussion, when we go for give any kind of interview for our job or giving admission anywhere. So it will definitely helpful, because it's gonna be happen in ourselves. And the last point is it is helpful for become a good what can I say, good control our emotion. We can emote ourselves, because some people they are quarrelsome. So when they speak, they got some kind of quarrel, they show some tolerance. But in this platform, I suppose I say some, I deliver some points, but you are not agree with my point. Maybe it can happen. So you have to put up with that point. So it is the way you can control your emotions. So it is learned through it. So that's it from my side.
Okay, all right. Okay, Miss Kajol, now you can
Now I
speak.
am bro. I am
Yeah,
not
Harry.
battery back.
Okay, Ayan, you can. If you can.
Yes, brother. I think I'm okay. Okay, now I'm going to speak about what is the debate and discussion. Yeah, we get a lots of things with the help of debate and discussion. As the we today's topic is should we do debate and discussion in the school or college? I think it should be necessary for the student. It improve their, it boosts their confidence while they are speaking in front of the people, in front of the student. While they are speaking, they don't have time to think. They instantly think and speak in the debate. They need to counter attack whether he and she is things we can implement. That thing we can do in the debate and discussion. We have to take all the things together, whether someone is right or wrong. we have to agree with the point. If it is right, if it is wrong, we need to disagree, and in the debate
Ayan, you are not audible, bro. Okay. Harry?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, bro.
So so debate. Debate is a one kind of discussion in which we put our thought in front of other people, whether the people is right or wrong. No one can judge you on that. You just putting your opinion in front of them. It is good if you are learning in a school, because whenever you go, then you have a confidence. You can speak very well when you need it. When you necessary to speak, you can raise your voice against any wrong activity. So I think it should be in a school. Debate should be in a school, and group discussion also be will
Yeah.
be there, because it's help a lot to improve a skill, communication skill. So I think it's going to be happen in schools life, because if we look government school and other, there is a lack of things that more than people are not able to speak properly, because they don't have such type of activity in government school. So that's why they're lacking for some in some activities if we compare in private schools. So if we compulsory debating or group discussion in schools, so I think it will be more beneficial for the student. He can speak, he can raise your voice against any bad kind of activities. So in this, if you have put your thought in front of other people, uh, if you are not right, but something is against you, you can put your voice and you can learn something from there. Because every time you are not you can't be right, but whenever you speak, some people listen you and they will correct you if you are wrong. So this thing, you can learn something from debate. This is a also positive thing of debate. So that's it. I
Okay. All right. Yeah. Great points. Okay. So, Miss Vanessa, unmute your audio and then start speaking about the
Yes,
topic.
I think every person should be compulsory for the students to participate in it. When you debate in any topic, you come up with different points and ideas that first you didn't know. And another point, when you get topic for debate, you research on it. In this way, you are get familiar with the topic. Last, in debate, you come to know how defend another point to tell the audience a strong point about the topic. And that's it.
Okay. All right. Mr. Tariqul Islam, bro, unmute your audio and then yeah, introduce. Yeah.
Brother, already told you that I'm weak in English, so
Okay.
I need
No problem.
time
Mm-hmm.
to spending in practice.
Okay.
So give me some suggestion how to do this.
Firstly, tell us about yourself. What's your name? From where are you? And what do you do? That's why we have created this
Please,
platform.
please,
All the people can speak.
take
Okay.
take me a
So,
second, please.
okay.
Oh, total license. Second floor. Smart center. जी.
Okay,
আমাদের লোক
shall
কি
I
আছে ওখানে?
started because you
Yeah.
know the time is going on and I think it
Okay. All right.
is
Yeah,
not
Kayum,
good.
you can. Mhm.
So yeah, the today's topic is about debate competition is necessary or not. I think debate is very important aspects of our life. It develops our thoughts. it develops our thinking skills. And when we participate in debates, we get a lots of points, either it is of positive, negative. We got a lots of points from other people, and we know the ideas of varieties of people, I think. So I think debate also helps us to improve our confidence level. By participating more and more in debate competition, we improve our confidence level, and we will become able to speak among more and more people. So during debate competition, I think during debate competition, we know every aspects of we know about the every aspects of particular topic, either it is positive or negative.
Yeah.
And I think it helps us to improve our decision making skills. Like we want what we have to do, because clarity is very important. And if we know the positive and negative aspects of every topic, yeah, every topic related to ourselves, then we will able to decide what we should do or what we should not do. And if a student got a chance to participate, and a student will provide those type of debates, then I think student improve their speaking skills, their listening skills, and it will improve their languages, either in English field or Hindi field. It doesn't matter. It helps them to gain their confidence, as well as decision making skills. And I think the most important part of any debate is that the children or the people who get participated in debates, they improve in decision making skills. And I think the best quality the best quality one could have, that decision making skills in every aspects of life. Because if we can't decide what we want to do in our life, then we cannot.
Mhm.
And I think debate helps us to improve our decision making skills. So I think every people should participate in debate competition, because of many reasons. And every schools should also provide the students to get participate in debate competition. So yeah,
Yeah,
that's it.
all right. Yeah, really a very, very great point that it definitely helps us to make a decision making. You know, it helps us to, we can take a decision in a better way. Just because we sometimes argue, we sometimes try to can see the viewpoint of the person who is in front of us. So it is all a good thing. And you know, like everyone knows, not only in any institute or any places where debate is going on, sometime in our life also, what we do whenever we talk with our friends or anyone, we try, you know, we try to argue all the time. That is also part of
Yeah,
debate, but yeah, we're just doing for our own things. We are doing just one and one, but
and I think, yeah,
Kajol,
I think debate also helps us to make our career, very
hmm,
much, because by taking a this good decision, and if we have the decision making skills from childhood, so I
yeah,
think it will be better for our career also, and if for or and for relationship also, I think.
exactly, it will better. It just because not only you learn how to answer someone, but also how to ask questions with someone, and also increase your knowledge, you know, in overall way.
Yeah, yeah,
And you can take the example of all very rich minded people who have a good intellectual, they always ready to answer you something. But if you will take an example of normal, you know, I don't want to say to those people, but if you will mostly take an example of politicians, they don't try to argue, or they don't try to be a part of debate. They
yeah,
rarely do like this, you know, they all,
they just want to make themselves correct. And
yeah,
I think debate is
exactly,
not
yeah.
about correct themselves. Debate is
Hmm,
about the best conclusion of any topic. And
exactly.
I think it is of every aspects, either in career or in, maybe I am wrong
What is your
in
point of
debate
view? It is
competition,
not.
but I think,
Mhm.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah, exactly,
So I think
exactly.
it helps ourselves all only, I think. So it's
Yeah,
not about that you become right or wrong. It's about the best conclusion you will find out of anything, like any decision you have taken.
yeah, sure. And most of the people out there, we don't know how much knowledge he has. But whenever we are taking any debates or group discussion, so this is how we can see that person is giving his point of view, and we can implement in our life, or maybe whatever we are doing. So in overall way, it is helping. And we can take a simple example. This is the session that we are creating. It is a kind of session that involves debate and discussion, both things. Okay, so you can see this is how, at least if we are doing it for 40 minutes, but still we are also increasing our language. Along with that, we are also increasing our knowledge, and we are also developing our mind that how to answer someone. We are also we are just trying to improving our overall personality. So just imagine if it would be with you when you were in your college, or sorry, when you were in your school. Don't you think you were a very better person than a normal person, just because you already have done all the things? Your personality gonna improve in a better way that we can't imagine. So for this reason, we must try to be participate in debate, and every school they must have a kind of one single class for debate, no matter it is for 30 minutes, 40 minutes, but every
But I think
single
it is
class,
important. Yeah.
it is definitely important, and it is
Yeah.
definitely now. And like now, I think we have new education policy that we have earlier talked about that. So definitely such kind of activity, it is still going on. In many school like convent school and private
Yeah,
school,
yeah,
you can see it is
yeah,
going on, but it is not
Yeah,
true in the
most of the
government
school.
school and very mediocre school. Even
Mm.
teachers they don't want to involve themselves in debate and discussion. Otherwise, maybe
And
students can
I
ask a
think
question to them.
teacher plays an important role to to
Definitely,
organize all
definitely,
those
because
things.
yeah,
exactly.
So I think once a week teacher should must organize the debate competition. I think in every topic. I think so. So
Yeah,
yeah,
sure,
at
exactly.
least a week it is important
yeah,
for
Hmm.
all the students, and
exactly.
teacher generally helps the student for all those things.
Like man,
Okay,
sometimes
yeah.
happen that sometimes happen
Hmm.
that the student go for college, then sometimes they hesitate to speak in front of other people
Yeah.
because if he got knowledge about how to speak, if you learn something in school, then only can speak well in front of student in college life. So it may help a
Yeah.
lot if we get any opportunity in school life, like debate and group discussion. He will allow him help to them to improve their like communication skill, like decision making. So I think it's a very big decision to if
Sure,
government provide this type of activities in school. So
sure.
that's
That's
it.
true.
Okay, that's great. Okay.
And
Mr.
in
Sumit,
fact,
now.
and one
Okay.
more line I want to add, just one
Okay,
more
okay.
line,
Sure.
that student just not participate in debate competition. I think students should also saw the students should also see the debate competition, like in YouTube's, in
Mm-hmm.
TVs. So
Yeah,
it
right.
will
News
help us
channels.
to know the aspects of different people, I think. So
Yeah,
that's
exactly. And in this part, I want to suggest every single people who want to learn English language and who want to, go for a very good debate and discussion. If you will see ever the big picture from Rajya Sabha TV, that discussion is,
yeah.
mind blowing. The name of that series is The Big Picture. They are all the very educated people. They come and they just keep their own perspective. This
Yeah, yeah,
discussion is also very great thing. With the help of
yeah,
that,
yeah.
we know many things, and we can increase the knowledge of which is
Uh,
important for our career, like Kajol has mentioned, right?
like yeah, exactly. Like
Yeah,
by debate you can get to know about the thought process of other people, how the people
yeah.
thought, how the people
And
think. So this is a great thing to know about, know to the us how the people thinking, if any topic if they getting, how they speak,
sure.
how can how. Yeah, this is a good thing about debate.
And
Mm.
don't go for political debate. I'm strictly telling this, don't go for any news channel that they are debating. They are just
And I think
brainwashing
yeah,
yourself, and that is of no use. You will not learn
yeah.
anything. Only you will learn yelling and all those things which has nothing to do with your reality and your real life. Even you will just lose your brain. Go for rich debate, for rich discussion, which are actually people are doing, which can help you to improve your knowledge, which can help you to improve your career. Go for
Yeah,
that
of
kind of
course.
debate. Yeah. So Sumit,
So, okay. So today our topic is school debate. So
Mm-hmm.
now everyone is telling about some benefit of school debates, but I will be telling about some types of school debates.
Mm-hmm.
So there are two types of school debates, like fictional debates or non-fictional debates. So fictional debates are which are basically based on the imaginary based speech, like
Yeah.
in 2010 there were a news come, and in that news there was one astrologer, and they said in 2011 the earth will be destroyed, because there was one stone from our atmosphere coming closely to our earth. So every people will be afraid that time, in 2011. So this is only based on the fictional based speech. So uh, this is fictional based, and another one is non-fictional based speech. Non-fictional based speech is real based incident which happen into our day to day life. So if I give some example of non-fictional speech, uh, so everyone tell about honesty is the best policy. So this is the uh, non-fictional phrase and speech. So because whenever we are doing some work, so if we are sincere toward that work, so the chances of our success will be increased. And this is the fact, real based fact. So uh, this is the example of non-fictional based speech. And this is this is two types of fictional and non-fictional of school debates. And now you all guys tell about some benefit. So I also add one more point of benefit of school debates, and the point is, whenever we are speaking in front of school student, and then we have some clarity into our voice, because uh, whenever we are talking to some of our neighbor and group of people, then we are sometimes we are hesitate. So if we are these skills in our young life, so it will be very helpful in our uh, professional life also. So yeah, we should also learn we should also participate in school debates as much as possible. So
Sure.
yeah, this is from myself.
Mhm. Okay. So Sirendra, now unmute your audio and
Yeah, hi everyone. And today topic debate by school life, right? So today about discussion school life. So school life strict rules. So every student is in school life so follow strict rule. Right? Like just a morning and get start ready and go school and 10 a.m. and you after come your school okay Holly said it. So 4 p.m. right, so that's a long time. Okay, so school has a
Mhm.
very long time, and college that only 3 to 4 hours only, okay, daily. But school are 5 to 6 hours daily, okay, schooling. So and the school are not allow your mobile and other some gadgets. So that's when inform your teacher, so that's punish you, okay. So and
Right.
not get on your bunk of just like bunk and college life every student so get bunk, so not allow. And you only you very strict rule you follow in your daily school life, okay. So I like college life, so that's a very like and I don't like school life. Okay, that's a very strict rule. So that's about, okay. So anybody
Okay.
can speak now.
All right. You have tried very well today, Sivan. That's great. Keep up. Okay, Islam, now just tell about yourself, and if you want to say something, just say if there is no noise over there around you, and you can ask your question. Islam, maybe,
You
yeah,
asking
bro.
me?
Yeah, exactly, bro. I'm asking you, what's your name? Firstly, tell me this. Your
Mm,
name.
Tariqul Islam.
Okay, Tariqul Islam. Okay, Islam. So, do you want to say something about school debate?
No, I
Okay.
just
Uh,
skipping this.
okay, no problem. That's why, if you have seen Mr. Shiven, okay, so he's also trying to speak. So, okay, just tell us about your state and what you do.
I'm from Bangladesh and I'm doing now a part-time job.
Mm-hmm. Okay, we are happy to see you here. Okay,
Yeah.
and what is your question? What do you want to know in English language? I mean, hello. Okay, Kajol, now you can add your point that you wanted to add at that time.
Yeah, I had already added the debate,
Okay.
which we have to see, I think, to get
Mm-hmm.
before participation. I think first we have the listening skills, then we have the speaking skills. So I think for getting more and more participation in debate, first we have to habituate to see the show like debate and to see the debate show. And
Mm-hmm.
I think it will be very helpful for us to improve our listening skills, because listening skills is also very important.
And
So
one
Yeah,
thing is
yeah.
also is good here. Actually, one thing is
Mm-hmm.
also is good. You can build up your patience level. You
Sure.
can
Yeah,
get
yeah, right.
patience. If you are debating with someone, that sometimes the argument convert into the fight. If you have patience level, then you can easily handle that situation. So this is the
Yeah,
biggest thing
exactly.
to yeah. This is a good thing
and I think,
to
yeah,
And
for debating.
you are right
mm-hmm.
that the debate competition helps us to to improve our patience
Yeah, patience.
level
Yeah.
also.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Because we have a habit to speak only, I think. Sometimes
Yeah,
we don't
speak and
want to
argue.
listen. Yeah, we
Exactly.
don't
Yeah.
Speak
want
and
to
argue.
listen and understand the thoughts. So I think debate
And
Mm-hmm.
helps us to listen and understand thoughts also. So
Yeah,
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 exactly.
exactly.
because
But
we have a habit to give answer only.
Yeah.
The third person is saying something, and we really want to get to give our answer. I think
mm-hmm.
we have to first listen their words and understand it. After that, if we are able to give them answer, then after that we should take action towards it. So I think
Yeah.
that's a great thing which helps from debate also.
Mm-hmm. Like I told you guys, we can take an example of real life. Even if we are in a bus or in a train, it happens all the time. We started arguing, and the point that you made, Miss Kajol, that we don't want to listen the perspective of the person who is in front of us. We only want to speak. Just listen me. Even it
Yeah.
also happens with our loved one, even our with our friend. Okay, now you just completed your I speak, now I want to speak, just listen me, so it happens. So yeah, it
Yeah.
develops the patience level in that way. And you have also added the point in this way, this keeps our relationship healthy. This improves that how to be good, maybe speaker when
To
it comes
make
about
some
your
good to
relationship.
make some yeah, that's true, to build a
Yeah.
good relationship. Yeah.
Yeah, exactly, to build a very good relationship. Okay, Miss Kajol. Okay, now I want to ask you one question, like the question that Islam is asking.
Yeah.
Okay, the question is like he asked how to improve English language. So just answer in your simple and better way.
I think just participate. Just make your self make your own surrounding of English. I think So if you understand the English words, what other are saying, and I think you must have the good listening skills first of all, and always try to speak. At least if you are reading something now, then speak loudly when you are reading, because I think in my experience, when I started practicing my English, I think on very first day when I used the Buddy Talk app, I am unable to speak the words. The words are going on in my mind, but I am unable to speak all those words. So I think it will be better for you to use the words loudly. If you are reading, then read loudly. If you want to say something, then say it. It's not like that you are judging by someone. Like, if you have a chance to say something, then at least tell us, you got a platform of Zoom call, then if someone provide you the platform, so I think you should participate on all those things. Like, you just write 3 or 4 lines in paper, and just read
Mm-hmm.
it. At least if you start reading now, if you start reading loudly now, then after that you are able to at least pronounce some words. And if you are
Exactly.
able to
Yeah.
pronounce that word now, then after that you are able, you got some confidence. And
Even,
just it will definitely help you, I think.
yeah, in this point, I will also want to add one thing. That's why that I
And one
created
and one
Telegram
point
group. Yeah, definitely, definitely.
listen English. Okay, English lecture, English
Yeah,
movies,
English thing.
songs, and very
But
very
Mm-hmm.
if you
good point.
want to improve speaking skills, so you have to participate on speaking things. Like, if you are
Yeah,
reading
without.
something, then speak loudly when you are reading. If there is no there were no someone is around you, then after that you just do anything, you just read anything, then just say it loudly. I think it will definitely help you us to you pronounce those words.
The,
So it will
yeah,
definitely help you.
that's why I always exaggerate the word that please guys use audio format in our Telegram group. This is the
Yeah,
reason only.
that's
So
true.
at least someone is not, they are not able to speak, but at least they can write somewhere whatever they have to speak. They can, at least they can try to speak. Just because they have to record, so there is no issue that they have to think a lot. Just speak. If you are committing mistake, again speak, then upload, but try to speak, right? This is
Yeah.
how anyone can improve.
And my opinion, first listening, okay, and the second, always think in English in my mind, not filter
Yeah,
Hindi
yeah.
to English, right?
Hmm.
That's a
Yeah,
very
that's true.
good point for
Hmm.
fluently speaking English. Okay.
Exactly. This is how what will happen if we will stop thinking in our mind. We will stop processing the time that is taking in our mind. So this is how we can be more fluent. I mean, in which speed we want to speak, we can speak. We will not stuck if we will stop translating. Just because whenever we translate in our mind, what happens? We think like, okay, how to manage the words. So we have to get rid of that habit, and it is okay for initial part. If someone is
Yeah.
he is a beginner, it is good. It is not a problem.
And for beginner, I think you should take something for reading also. I think it will improve your
Hmm.
word stock. It will
Very,
improve
very
your,
important
yeah.
part.
It is very
Reading.
important part. I think reading is very important part.
Exactly. Steven, you
Yeah,
want to say
right.
something?
No, that's all.
Okay. Vanessa, just unmute your audio firstly.
Yes.
Yeah, now just tell what's your point of view, how anyone can speak better, learn better and faster, and
I
what
think
you
only
do.
two
Yeah,
minutes. Okay.
I think for speaking English, you should have to communicate with another people and discuss something like we
Mm-hmm.
do here in and any topic, and randomly talk to any foreign countries. Like there are many apps now, and for and there are many YouTubes. There are the video channels when you can enhance your vocabulary and start
Yeah.
this vocabulary in their daily life and speak those vocab. Like anything you
Mm-hmm.
learn from the books or YouTube, try to apply in real life. And this way
Mm-hmm.
you get more knowledge.
Exactly. This is the best point. You know, this is the best point. To whatever you read, whatever you listen,
Yeah.
the thing that you have to learn English language, so you have to speak. So apply that listening, that is a reading skill in your speaking. This is how you
Yeah.
anyone can able to speak any language. Yeah.
Yeah. Otherwise, most of the people listen and speak a lot of stuff, but they didn't apply in their real life. How they can enhance and get more benefit from that.
Yeah. Okay. We have few seconds left. So Harry, you want to say something?
Yeah, sure.
Mm-hmm.
Actually, if you want to become fluent, then first
Mm-hmm.
you have to observe things. Like
Yeah.
if you look a kid, they just observe, and when you speak, they speak a breaking sentence, but they don't pretend that I am afraid to say something. Whenever you speak, just speak. Don't say that somebody going to judge you. Just speak. If you are learning something, if you are learning 2 or 3 words vocabulary, then apply in Hindi language. Just use your vocabulary. Because if you are using that, your mind recall your whenever you need, then just your mind recall you that word. Yeah, that word is the meaning is I can use this word in this sentence. Sometimes happen that whenever we speak, so the words are not come in your mind. They stuck. You are stuck that time. The word will not come out from your mouth. So if you are using that word in your daily basis, regardless of you are using in Hindi language, just use it and speak. So this is my opinion.
Yeah, it's a great opinion. And now I think we are going to end just because we don't have time, extra time. It is just running.
Yeah.
Anytime it can, end. So, but it was really nice, discussion today
Yeah.
that we have made. Yeah, just because I think